Hi guys, welcome back to Organize with Ev. Today's video, I'm doing a detailed bathroom clean with me. So I hope you are ready to get some things done today. So let's go ahead and get into the video. So I'm going to start off by cleaning the mirror frame, and then I'll clean the mirror. So I always try to clean top to bottom, and then we'll tackle the sinks along with the cabinet below. And then you'll see me struggle trying to open the glass surface cleaner, so enjoy that.
Even though I hate when my bed is empty, I don't wanna be like the while pretending. So I'ma make it easy for us both. Cause I don't even want your love, nah nah. Want your love, nah nah. Want your love, nah nah. Not anymore. Cause I don't even want your love, nah nah. Want your love, nah nah. Want your love, nah nah. Not anymore. Wasting my time trying to get you to give me, cause you don't want to. Yeah, get my point of view. I wonder where it all went wrong. This could have been a different song, and now I'd rather be alone. Even though I hate when my bed is empty, I don't wanna be like the while pretending.
So the cleaning items that I'm using today is my daily shower cleaner, and I'll show you that in a little bit, along with Mrs. Meyer's that I'm using here to wipe everything down, and then I'm using the Comet to clean the inside of the toilet bowl, along with Mrs. Meyer's to clean the toilet as well. So after cleaning inside the toilet bowl, I'm just going to let that sit just so it'll definitely disinfect it. And then once we let that sit, we're going to go to the shower. So I'm using the Jaws Daily Shower Cleaner, and I'm just going to spray that down, and then we're going to go back to the toilet and finish that. I just do go back and forth just because I like to let my products sit and deep clean whatever I'm tackling.
But the things we can't change, cause I don't even want your love, nah nah. Want your love, nah nah.
So like I said before, I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's to wipe everything down, and I always try to use paper towels when I'm wiping everything down. You're welcome to use a bath cloth or a microfiber cloth. I just feel more comfortable with using a paper towel whenever I'm wiping the toilet down.
Sunday morning, feel that ache inside my heart. I can hold on any.
So now we're going to go back to the shower, and since that's been sitting, all I'm going to do is take a bath cloth and rinse everything down, and all the gunk and stuff like that that piles up over time just falls right off. We also try to make sure when we're getting out of the shower or the bathtub that we're wiping it down as well, so that way whenever I go to detail clean, it's not as tedious to get done. But so I'm gonna go ahead and finish cleaning this up. I also want to mention what I use to keep all of my shampoo products, conditioner, body wash, and things like that. I actually have a shower liner that has like the mesh pockets. I ordered that off of Amazon. It is very helpful, especially if you have a small tub and you can just hang those items on the shower liner. And I'm pretty sure it was only between $10 to $15. So if you're looking for something to save space, that'll definitely be the way to go. So another thing I always tend to forget when cleaning the bathroom, especially with this small window, I always forget to clean the window sills and like wipe the window frame. So that's what I'm doing here. So if you have a window, I definitely recommend dusting the area. I didn't get a chance to do that because I actually need to purchase a new duster, but you can definitely go ahead and dust the blinds and then wipe down that frame along with the window sill. And I'm also going to remove everything. I only really do this when I do detail cleaning, so I'm going to remove all the loose items that are in the bathroom out so I can sweep and mop and also clean the baseboards. So to clean the baseboards, I just use my broom. So you'll notice whenever I'm sweeping, I'll also be sweeping the baseboards as well. So it's just like dusting that area. I've also seen people put like an old t-shirt and rubber band the t-shirt to the bottom of your broom, and that'll dust it off as well. So whatever you choose to do, any small thing works. And if you want to just use your broom, that works just as fine as well. So to mop the floor, I've been using my E-Cloth mop. I purchased it from the company called E-Cloth, and it's a mop head. The mop head, you just add water, and it's been working great for the laminate floors along with the bathrooms. So that's what you're seeing me do here, and I just had to add water, and it is, of course, a non-toxic product, especially if you have children at home. So the next thing we're going to go ahead and do, I'm going to take out the trash, and then we're also going to clean the trash can. That's something that I haven't done in a while. And then once the floor is dry, we'll place everything back in the bathroom. If you've enjoyed this video so far, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. I post content on cleaning, organizing, and lifestyle. So if you're into that type of stuff and motivation, you'll definitely love it here. I would also love for you to like, comment, and hit the notification bell so you can be alerted every time I post new content. I want to thank you guys again for watching, and I hope it gets you up to get some things done today, along with give you some motivation to maybe clean your bathroom or whatever area that needs to be tackled today. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.